All right, everybody, here's the first test of the GoPro. I'm gonna turn it around to reveal a snowball fight between Jaidyn and Bart. We're in Kaaterskill Falls, New York. Jaidyn hasn't seen this much snow. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, we're at the beginning of the hike. We're in Kaaterskill Falls. We have 2.5 miles to the waterfall. Got Jaidyn and Bart. Jaidyn's walking on a railroad track, an old railroad track.
We're hoping for a train.
Yeah, but not quite sure that's gonna happen. Not here. Pretty sure it's abandoned.
Not on the 50 yards of track we got.
Well, I think Jaidyn's having fun.
I shot that one like a basketball, man.
He's got his cowboy boots and his denim jeans and his hat still.
All right. Motherfucker.
Oh. Oh, he got him.
Man down, man.
Man down. And now we have Mr. Galloway doing his snow angels. This is pretty good. I will not be doing one.
Why?
Not yet.
Oh, Mark.
Here we go. Enter the path of doom.
Avalanche.
So Bart made an avalanche. Kind of, we're gonna call it that.
Close enough.
Maybe a tsunami. Either way.
A voodoo tsunami.
A voodoo, that's what they call it in New Orleans. A voodoo tsunami. We're starting to lose Jaidyn there.
He's in his cowboy boots. He ain't got no traction. I know what's wrong with it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Gas in it.
Alright, everybody. Alright, we have officially made it to the falls. I'm gonna flip around so you can see. A 237-foot waterfall.